Hi friends, my name is Lauren and I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. This is a new series where we highlight some non-traditional crafting materials to encourage creative reuse. It's all leading up to our community art swap, where you can swap art supplies that you're no longer using and exchange them for something new to you. One of my absolute favorite supplies to work with is wallpaper. There's so much that you can do with this beautiful, durable paper. You can incorporate it into your art, like in our Faith Ringgold inspired grab and go kit. You can create a sustainable gift bag, or you can even use it as wallpaper in a dollhouse. I'm going to show you how to make a super easy decorative canister. I'll be using wallpaper, but you can use any kind of decorative paper or even fabric for this. Start with a clean canister and measure the amount of wallpaper that you'll need to cover the entire surface area of your tin. Pay attention to the part of the paper that you're cutting and make sure it includes any designs that you're particularly fond of. When you're done cutting your decorative paper or fabric, it's time to adhere it to our container. Cut 2 additional pieces of scrap paper, one to put your Mod Podge or craft glue on, and the other to fold up and use kind of like a squeegee. Apply a little bit of the craft glue or Mod Podge to the side of your container and the rest to the back of your wallpaper. You can also use a regular paintbrush for this if you have one at home. Adhere your wallpaper to the tin, making sure to squeeze out any wrinkles or air bubbles that you see. You may find that you don't like the look of the visible seams where the paper meets. I don't mind it, but if you do, you can cover it up with a little bit of ribbon. Let your glue dry completely. Once your tin is dry, add a top coat of Mod Podge. If you'd like your canister to be really sturdy, you can add multiple top coats. That's it! You've created a beautiful new decorative canister using some repurposed wallpaper samples.